In the provided code, SNF, the if-else self and else statements are used to implement a series of conditional checks for use authentication based on their username and password. The if statement checks if the first condition, username and password, is true. If it is, the corresponding block of code execute. Following the if the else self statements provide additional condition to check if the previous if condition was false. Each self checks a different username password pair. If a condition is met, each block executes and the rest are skipped. The else statement is execute if none of the preceding if or else self condition are true. This act of a catch-all for any login attempts. The structure allows for a clear flow of logic to handle multiple user login attempts. Each if or else self provides a specific check, while the else handles failure, enhancing user experience by giving appropriate feedback.